Johnson Flooring.
Welcome back. Joining us in studio this morning, Holly Miner here to talk to us about the 2023 Kitchen Kids Camp.
Yeah, so we have a camp coming up in June. There's 4 different weeks of camps, and they're 2.5 hours long, and they are 3 days long. So in the mornings for 3 days each week, we'll have a camp at different locations. I think that you have a flyer that says when they are and all their specific information about them.
What cities are doing the camps this year?
So Fredonia, Neodesha in Wilson County, and then Oswego and Coffeyville.
In Coffeyville too.
Yeah.
All right.
So, but I wanted to, we talk about Kitchen Kids Camp and we're working with the kids, but there's a lot of kids outside of Kitchen Kids Camp, and I wanted to just say a few things that parents can do to work with their kids to help them build some of those kitchen skills. So, when kids are little, they can wash fruits or vegetables, they can set the table, they can do those kinds of things to help. And then as they develop more skills and get older, then they can learn to cut bananas with table knives and those kinds of things. So there are things that we can do as parents or grandparents or even friends or relatives that we can work with kids as they go.
And they can work with measurements.
Yes. So, you learn all sorts of skills. You're using math skills, you're learning how to divide things, if you're cutting or chopping, those kinds of things. So there's a lot of things that we can do. We use all of these, this equipment is right out of one of the Kitchen Kids Camp totes that we use. So each group gets a tote, and we have different things that we do. So grading, we learn how to measure out of liquid measuring cups and dry measuring cups. Those are all things that people can do at home with their kids on a regular basis.
It's fun to encourage them. And cooking is a great family activity.
It really
and they
is.
tend to want to eat different types of foods if they help make them.
That's right. Research shows that if you prepare a food yourself or you have the children help prepare it, they're more likely to eat it or to try it, at least taste it. And we have a little saying, don't yuck my yum. So if you are trying something for the first time and you don't like it, then you discreetly put it away. But if you do like it, then you let everybody know that you liked it. So somebody that if you have 2 or 3 children and one of them doesn't like it and they're very vocal about that, then the other 2 might not even try it. So we like the don't yuck your yum.
All right, so make sure you go online. You can go, we'll have a link to the K-State Extension Service website from ours at KOAMnewsnow.com, where you can go and sign up for these Kids Kitchen Camp. All right, Kitchen Kids Camp. I'll get it. All right, well, coming up a little bit later, we're going to talk about a camp that's for adults, a cooking class.
Yes.
All right, we'll be right back.